Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review. And right now, I'm not going to be reviewing Deadpool. Give it to you. He gon' give it to you. I'm not going to fangirl all over Ryan Reynolds, who, by the way, I've loved since Two Guys, a Girl and a Pizza Place. I think is the funniest celebrity on Twitter, wants to work with Priyanka Chopra. Did you know Alanis Morissette wrote a song about him? And have you seen those cheekbones? Full disclosure, I've never read a Deadpool comic and I barely remember him from the Wolverine movie, but boy am I blown away. This has immediately catapulted itself into one of my favorite movies of all time. And if you've been following my videos, I don't like all that many movies all that much. Wade Wilson is a mercenary for hire who, in his own words, is a bad guy who fucks up even badder guys. He meets a girl, they fall in love, things are looking great, but oh no, he's diagnosed with last-stage incurable cancer. Not so great anymore.
Mr. Wilson, you've recently been diagnosed with terminal cancer.
We can fight this.
A stranger offers to cure his cancer in a rather unorthodox manner, which he reluctantly accepts. He has experiments done on him, which lead him to not just beat the cancer, but basically become immortal. Ryan Reynolds forever? Stop it. And during this process, stuff goes wrong. Wade becomes Deadpool, out for revenge. Why, lekin? Against whom? Will he win? Does he survive?
I didn't ask to be super, and I'm no hero. But when you find out your worst enemy is after your best girl, the time has come to be a fucking superhero.
Well, if you've seen the trailer, you know. Deadpool goes where superhero movies do not venture usually. There's blood, gore, dark humor, cancer, lots of F-bombs, and wham! Oh my god, so much wham. Also, the soundtrack features this song and this one. I know. The humor in Deadpool is so meta, it's delightful. One scene has Deadpool being dragged away to meet Professor X at the X Mansion, and he's like, McAvoy or Stewart, timelines please. It came and went so quickly, I think 4 people in the theatre caught it. So when you watch the movie and you catch the joke, give me a mental high five. Hugh Jackman के ऊपर कम से कम 5-6 jokes तो हैं ही, all funnier than the other. I think he should get a credit mention as guest appearance. This is director T.J.Miller's first full-length feature and he is so good. मतलब चरण की मिट्टी माथे पे लगाओ. In a time where superhero movies are literally pouring out of Hollywood studios, Deadpool is such a fresh change of pace. He's breaking walls, there's a quirky soundtrack, so much asli ka khoon kharaba. Yeah, do not take your children for this film. I know सुपर पिक्चर है, बच्चों को देखनी होगी, but कृष्ण नहीं है ये. No. There's not one dull moment throughout the film, and I literally did not even want to break for intervals. Dialogue, acting, action, music, everything just kept me glued to the edge of my seat and begging, asking for more. Oh, and stay for the post-credit scenes, okay? Marvel की movie है तो होता ही है. And if you don't have any idea what meta or self-referential humor is all about, सब समझ जाओगे. On a scale of 1 to 10, Deadpool is 7,000 points. 1,000 for each cut our censor board has inflicted upon this wonderful film. How do you like me now? The fans made this movie happen, you know, after some experimental footage leaked online. Yeah. So, you know, I don't mind doing a movie either. Just share this video far and wide. Do dharnas, write petitions, flood online forums. Or just subscribe to Film Companion to get your film fix. That's easier.